Water heater repair is essential for maintaining a reliable hot water supply in homes and businesses. At Kingdom Plumbing, skilled professionals diagnose and fix issues such as inconsistent water temperatures, strange noises, or leaks. A properly functioning water heater not only improves comfort but also enhances energy efficiency, reducing monthly utility bills. Experienced plumbers at Kingdom Plumbing provide thorough inspections and repairs to extend the lifespan of water heaters. Whether it's a faulty heating element, sediment buildup, or a malfunctioning thermostat, expert solutions restore the system's performance. Quick and effective repairs prevent more costly replacements and ensure uninterrupted access to hot water. Kingdom Plumbing offers prompt and reliable water heater repair services to address urgent problems before they escalate. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, each repair is handled with precision and professionalism. Why is my water heater not producing enough hot water? A faulty heating element, sediment buildup, or an incorrectly set thermostat can reduce hot water supply. These issues prevent the system from heating water efficiently. What are signs that my water heater needs repair? Fluctuating water temperatures, unusual noises, and visible leaks indicate potential issues. Rusty or discolored water may also signal corrosion inside the tank. What services does Kingdom Plumbing? We offer a wide range of services including pipeworks plumbing, professional plumber, pro plumber, professional plumbing services, emergency plumber, septic plumbing, commercial plumbers near me. Where is Kingdom Plumbing located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road number 110 Henderson, Nevada 89014 United States. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit their website, https://www.kingdomplumbing.com/.